you guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Tanisha. In case you're seeing this face for the very first time, do not forget to leave this video without subscribing, without pressing that bell icon. And ये चूड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा disturb कर रही है मुझे, but that's completely fine because today we are going to have a beautiful ethnic jewelry haul. I love ethnic jewelries, even if I don't make a lot of video or even if I don't wear them a lot. Indian ethnic jewelry does have something, okay? And I've got all of these pieces from Flipkart that provides you great value across unbelievable variety, and also they have the widest range of collection because they always keep on updating the newest trends. For example, one of the jhumkas that I've got is the one that a mirror work jhumka that you usually see boho girl wearing it, Kritika Khurana, if you guys know. So I saw it and I just got my hands on it as soon as possible. And also the delivery is pretty fast. I received all of the pieces, like all of the pieces are from different sellers, yet I received it within 2 to 3 days, which is a great thing. And also they have no question asked return policy, which is also so hassle free and nice. So yeah, and let's just start with this very pretty bangles that you see over here. Oh my god, these bangles are, come on, like, this is from the brand called Yellow Chimes and this is made up of copper pearls, and this one is for rupees 270 only, which is a great price because the finishing of this one is really good. I was not expecting the finishing of every single piece is very nicely done, very nice secured. 2 pieces in one bag, and also you have 2 to 3 options, 3 options of sizes over there as well. So I just got the medium size and it roughly fits me very properly. So I got the size which is from 2 to 6. That is how it was written. I don't know how to read that. And the next one that I have to show you is this one, which is again from Yellow Chimes. This is again a traditional pearl sort of earring, and these both go together so beautifully. Again, it gives me that South Indian Onam sort of vibe, you know, like, so this is this golden sort of work with this nice white color pearls, and it looks so cute. And specifically I love the style that it is like this, a box, like a rectangular box, and then you have the jhumka, chotu sa jhumka down below, which makes it look so cute, like a very traditional piece, a very beautiful piece. This also comes in a silver color. I'm not very sure about that, but you need to check that out. And this one I've got for rupees 249, which is again a great price because the finishing of this one is also very nice. And also this one is pretty lightweight and small in size, like not small but it is medium in size. It's not very huge. I was thinking कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े आएंगे, लेकिन काफी अच्छा size है इसका. Now let's move on to the next one. Let me show you these really beautiful piece from You Bella. This is this box sort of like square and rectangle sort of stuff over here, which has this very chunky sort of crystal on both the. I was not expecting this one would have such a good finishing as well. मुझे लगा था इतनी अच्छी finishing तो पक्का नहीं होगी. And size भी, in the picture the size looks pretty small, but here it is a good, like a medium size which you can wear easily, and it will look so pretty when you wear it. And also it comes in like so many colors, like हर type का color इसमें available है, green, blue, red, all of the colors are available, which looks very pretty. Like, this is something like a statement piece. This one I got just for rupees 275 rupees, a very great price. Also this is a little bit heavy, I would say, not very heavy, but yeah, it is definitely heavy because considering the chunky size of this one, it looks really nice. Also this is not traditional, this is completely western piece that you can wear up with anything you like. Also if you want to wear it with a kurti, it will again look like traditional. It is sort of versatile, it can go with. Let me show you my most favorite piece. It's just that this one is very big, okay, very big in size, and I did not expect कि इतने ज़्यादा लंबे होंगे size में. Like, this is huge, okay, this is almost covering my whole hand, so it literally comes up till here. And let me show you singly. So this is how it looks like single, and you can see the whole circle thingy and the whole mirror work done. Everything is so beautifully done. Like, I absolutely adore this one. Is so beautiful. If you are okay with going with huge piece of jhumkas, and you can definitely try this one. It is the prettiest out of everything. I got this one only for 205 rupees, which is so amazing. Like, how do they do it? Like, 205 just for this beautiful piece. Oh my god, this is such a nice piece. This is such a statement piece. I'm dead sure if you wear this, everybody would ask you where did you get it from. Next up, let me show you earrings from Zaveri Pearls, and this one is actually a combo of 2 pieces. So let me show you both of the pieces separately. So the first piece that you see over here is this one, this golden sort of thing, which is this peacock theme. Both of them are themed peacock. This one looks more like this and has a very chunky, huge sort of design. This is also very long in length. मुझे नहीं लगा था कि इतना लंबे लंबे होंगे. I thought it's going to be really tiny and really compact size. I'm not very happy with the size of this one for sure. And rest, apart from that, the colors and everything are so beautifully popping. Oh my god, like my mother loved it because of the colors and everything. This would look so pretty on a sari or on a kurti also. It will look. I got both of the pieces together for 344 rupees, which is a great price because you're getting two pieces of such beautiful big. And the next variant that you have over here is this one. This is even more prettier. I feel like this is better than the first one. This is actually the peacock itself, and also you have a nice cute jhumka over here. I like the detailing of the jhumka, to be honest. And also the colors and everything are popping very beautifully. Iska finishing is also theek thaak. Like, I won't say that the finishing is the best. Iska, like the Zaveri Pearls one, finishing is not the best, but it is not that bad. You can see the difference. Like, see, this is like so huge, then this one is sort of a medium size. That is why I like this one more. Let's see from Zaveri Pearls again. This one comes in this sort of black case over here, and this is this really cute red to Rani pink sort of color that you have over here. And this is a very different design from all of them, like very different design. You can see all of the work is over here, and this really tiny white pearls that are hanging. They look so cute and so pretty. This one is pretty lightweight, huh? Iska weight, you will not feel कि it's like really that thing. Like, it is still big, but still it is of a very good color. Weight. The weight is not very heavy, even though this design is so pretty, and the color is almost reddish to Rani pink sort of color. I love this one. This one came for 212 rupees, I think. So yeah, 210 or 12, something like that, which is a very good price. It is such a cute piece. Like, come on, I would like to wear this over here as well. Like, seriously, it does work over here as well, and I always do such experiments where I wear the earrings over here and there. But yeah, whatever they've done, finishing is very good, and also it is very lightweight. That is a very happy moment for me. So I'm happy about that. Next, let me show you another combo from Zaveri Pearl itself, and this one is actually a Padmavati inspired sort of earring. I don't understand how, like it says like that. So the first piece is like this. This has this Padmavati wala design, like drawing over here, and then you have this really chunky big moti over here. What do you call that? I mean, I'm so confused right now. And iski finishing is not that great, to be honest. Like, I did not like the finishing of this one, and in the picture it was looking pretty small, okay, like tiny, nice. I thought if this would have been smaller in size, it would have looked even better. I'm telling you, some pieces just does not look good when they're very chunky or heavy. I have the other piece, which is more in this blue to golden sort of color. I love this color combination, to be honest. And in fact, I love the square style even more. So this rectangular sort of square style that you see over here, it looks even better than the first one. That's my personal choice. You can also like the circle one as well. Also, the blue color in this one is popping so beautifully. Like, come on, this is very pretty. I got both of them together with for 365 rupees, which is a still good price because, I mean, two pieces. This piece I have again from Yellow Chimes. So Yellow Chimes ka packaging is also just like this. The packaging of all of them is just the same only. Jhumka that you have over here, silver plus these really nice small pearls that you see over here. I love this pearl sort of earring. Like, there are numerous pearls inside this one, and this is sort of a hoop sort of style that you see over here, but it is more like a dangling hoop over here. It's not the hoop that is like, you know, hoops are usually inside the ear, but this one is more of a dangling hoop. So every time you do this, it is also going to dangle like this, so it is going to give you a special effect and everything. So that is why I love this one. I actually love this one with the fact that I got this one for 248, and also the finishing is dead good. Like, also the combination of silver plus white pearls, it makes it so versatile that you can use it with so many other things. Like, it is very easy to be used with every, like, even an Indo-Western style, or even a short kurti with jeans, or even heavy kurtis. It will work with everything. I absolutely adore this one, this style, because it's very versatile. And also, this is slightly heavier than usual, definitely, because of so many beads used on this. it actually makes it a slightly heavier. So with that, we come to the end of this video. I thoroughly enjoyed this video. I love jhumkas, I love chota earrings and jhumkas and everything. So these are all of the pieces that I have for you guys today. All of the links are gonna be down below, and I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye.